Unang sasabihin ko, ayaw po natin ng gera sa ibang bansa. Subalit, ang problema naman natin, may mga bansa na talagang mahirap kausapin. Minsan sinabi ko nga, mahirap mahalin. Dahil nga ay pinahihirapan po nila ang ating mga mangingisda, pinahihirapan po nila ang ating mga Coast Guard at ang ating mga kababayan dito sa West Philippine Sea. With that said, I am in favor of multilateral projects that will assist us on freedom of navigation in the West Philippine Sea, that will assist us in the rule of law, in the adherence to UNCLOS, for all parties in the ASEAN, in the Asian region are party of, including our neighbor in the north. So, yan ang gusto po natin gawin. I congratulate the AFP, the Philippine Navy, for a successful joint patrol and joint sails in this area of the West Philippine Sea together with our brothers in Japan, Australia, and the United States. Hindi po ito pinapakita na gusto natin ng gera. Pinapakita lang po natin dito ay handa po ang ating mga like-minded countries, yung naniniwala sa freedom of navigation, ang naniniwala na dapat kahit sino makadaan dyan, mangingisda ka man, o ikaw isang merchant ship, na walang hadlang, walang haharang sa'yo, at hindi po kayo bibigyan ng verbal warning that you are trespassing in this ocean area. So, ako po ay sumusuporta dyan because we need to continuously keep the freedom of navigation and rule of law and a code of conduct in the West Philippine Sea and all the other territories outside of the Philippines.